imagining the future world when it's fixed. Draw a picture of what you think the most incredible, amazing, beautiful world will be. If I would walk down the street, I would see cherry blossoms and vegetables hanging off the buildings, and there would be kids playing, and all the cars would be electric, and there'd be no air pollution. Everything would smell nice. There'd be art, solar powered, plants, animals, wildlife corridors, deer walking downtown. I felt such an enormous psychological shift when I started doing this. It was almost like I went into this transcendental state of imagining what this utopian, amazing, best possible world. And I just felt like something changed in me, and I never have gone back. You just get into this space, it's just so wonderful and positive, and that gives you tremendous positive energy. And I look at a building and I'm like, that building's dirty. That building should really have a green wall on it. I'm going to start innovating about how to make more buildings have more green walls. And that's a very fun, happy, positive space to be in. It's cultivating ideas. Once you've got that mental landscape, as a practice, you actually have to sit down and imagine it. You draw the picture of what you want, then you're able to take action to get there. That's your destination. But if you haven't imagined the place, how are you going to be motivated to arrive there?